Men's health is more than just hitting the gym or eating right. It's about supporting every system in your body, including circulation. Poor blood flow is one of the most common causes of erection problems in men, but here's the good news. Certain minerals can naturally help restore healthy circulation, improve vascular function, and support performance. In today's video, we'll reveal 7 powerful minerals that research shows can boost blood flow to your most vital areas and help reverse erectile dysfunction naturally. We'll also share food sources, dosages, and key tips to make sure your body absorbs them effectively. Stick with us until the end, because mineral number 7 is often ignored. Yet, it might be the most important one of all. Welcome back to Health I Seek, the channel where we bring seniors the truth about natural healing, vitality, and aging strong. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and does not substitute any medical care. Always seek advice from your doctor before making any changes or decisions regarding your health. Mineral number 1, zinc. First on the list is zinc, the mineral often called the man's mineral. Zinc plays a crucial role in testosterone production, which directly affects sexual performance, energy, and mood. Without enough zinc, your body can't produce healthy levels of testosterone, which can lead to lower libido and weaker erections. But zinc's role doesn't stop there. It also supports the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels, allowing for better circulation to all parts of the body. Best food sources: oysters, one of the richest sources; beef and lamb, pumpkin seeds, chickpeas. Daily recommendation: around 11 milligrams for adult men, but athletes or those with deficiencies may need more. Always check with your healthcare provider. Mineral number 2, magnesium. Second is magnesium, often called nature's relaxer. Magnesium relaxes smooth muscle tissue, including the walls of your blood vessels, which allows blood to flow more freely. Studies show magnesium also helps regulate blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and improve sleep, all essential for erectile health. Best food sources: dark leafy greens like spinach and kale, almonds and cashews, block beans, dark chocolate, at least 70% cocoa. Daily recommendation: around 400 to 420 milligrams for adult men. If you're low in magnesium, you might experience muscle cramps, anxiety, or fatigue, all of which can affect performance. Mineral number 3, potassium. Number 3 is potassium, a mineral that balances sodium levels in the body and reduces high blood pressure, one of the biggest risk factors for erectile dysfunction. Potassium also helps regulate nerve signals and muscle contractions, including the muscles involved in sexual function. Best food sources: bananas, avocados, sweet potatoes, beans, and lentils. Daily recommendation: about 3,400 milligrams for adult men, but it's best to get this from whole foods rather than supplements unless prescribed. Mineral number 4 is iron, which is essential for carrying oxygen in your blood via hemoglobin. Low iron levels can lead to fatigue, weakness, and poor circulation, all of which can harm sexual performance. However, too much iron can be dangerous, so it's important to get tested before supplementing. Best food sources: lean red meat, chicken lentils, spinach, daily. Recommendation: 8 milligrams for adult men, but absorption is better when paired with vitamin C. So have your spinach with some lemon juice or bell peppers. Mineral number 5, selenium, a powerful antioxidant that protects blood vessels from damage and supports healthy sperm production. Selenium also helps the body produce certain enzymes that keep your circulatory system functioning at its best. Best food sources: Brazil nuts, just 1 to 2 per day gives you enough. Tuna, sardines, eggs. Daily recommendation: about 55 micrograms for adult men, but avoid excess, as too much selenium can cause side effects. Mineral number 6, calcium, not just for strong bones, but also for healthy nerve function and muscle contractions. Calcium helps blood vessels tighten and relax properly, which is essential for normal blood flow. Best food sources: yogurt and milk cheese, kale and broccoli almonds. Daily recommendation: around 1,000 milligrams for adult men, ideally from a mix of dairy and plant-based sources. Mineral number 7, copper, a trace mineral that works with iron to form healthy red blood cells, supports collagen production for strong blood vessels, and helps your body use iron effectively. Best food sources: shellfish nuts and seeds, whole grains, dark leafy greens. Daily recommendation: 900 micrograms for adult men, but balance is key. Too much copper can interfere with zinc absorption. Remember, minerals work best as part of a balanced lifestyle. Here are 3 bonus tips to maximize blood flow. Stay active, at least 30 minutes of exercise daily. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol. Keep stress under control with deep breathing or meditation. If you want to boost your circulation, improve your energy, and support your performance naturally, these 7 minerals can make a huge difference. Start by adding them to your diet through whole foods, and work with your healthcare provider to check your levels. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more health tips, and share this video with a friend who needs it. See you in the next one.